Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Boulder Goes Modworks, and this is build update part 1 of Airfix's 1/48 scale World War II 15 CWT 4x2 general service truck, otherwise known as a Bedford. So, what have I been doing? Quite a bit. So I've brought these down here to paint it and assemble it. So obviously the frame clips on there like that. And of course I snap let it dry. But as you can see, built up the chassis, got the wheels on. Yes, they don't look straight, mainly because the wheels aren't glued on. Yeah, basically up went out, as I said in my original review. Sort of built up the chassis completely, left the engine out to paint it. Obviously the exhaust in there, I painted the exhaust. I cheated, I did it with the AK real markers in rubber black. So yeah, but aside from a slight issue with the mounting points on the leaf springs not being very, the location isn't very good. Just take your time and stick and glue it together. But yeah, kit's going together lovely. Obviously seats aren't assembled, all the bit of the interior is done. So I've got to paint that all green, paint this back bit green. Yeah, so we've got to get busy. But the kit goes together, goes together like essentially a Tamiya kit, surprisingly. Very nice it is too. So once I've got all this painted and basically seats and bits of the engine, I may well fit the bits of engine before I fit this piece in place because it makes it slightly easier. So I don't think it needs to interfere with it. So yeah, so I'll get these bits painted and I'll see you in a bit. Right, while all the parts of the are a bit drying in paint, which won't take very long because it's a tad warm. Admittedly it's windy, but hopefully we'll get on and fit the engine parts here. So So of course, being black is a pain in the arse to see, so I have to get my binnacles on here. I can't see anything here. Surprisingly, I've got that in. Hopefully now we'll get the drive belt on the front. And that goes on there something like that, in theory. Oh, there we go. Right, that's the engine built. Well, that's the carburettor. On this side. So that's the bit of the engine on. I should just pause that there and go and see if the other bits are dry. So we've got that piece on, got it clipped in place. You can build this up with the mud flaps in place, but you have to be careful because they do interfere on those boxes, okay? Now, this is where the fun begins. I'm not going to glue it on too readily, just in case I've got to move it. So there we go. That's the back piece on. That bit of the deck on. So let's glue the seats on. It's okay like that. And I've dropped the wire. Never mind. And like that. So again, this one builds up quite quickly and nicely. So on that bombshell, I'll just pause it there to find this bit, the bit of me contactor tube, this was the stuff for. And we're back. Found it. So we've got the 2 pads at the front to glue. Like so. Bit of the shakes today. And then hope in theory it sits in there like that. Oh, it's a lovely fitting kit there. So with that done, hopefully we'll leave it there. Next time hopefully we'll get the superstructure built, and yeah, we'll get the cab built, finish off the engine details, possibly weather the engine. I think I may well do it with a I might attempt to dry brush it. Oh dear, that should be fun. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.